Previously on TNT Garage.
I've been down here too much. What the deli of that Tony B? I don't know what the...
Oh, so you miss your boy.
I don't know what to say. I just missed.
Get him. He found us in Georgia. Oh, Lord have mercy. We tried to push this big old Bertha, AKA Mr. Bucket Hat, AKA Mr. Steal Your Girl. Look at the wild animal. He is in his natural habitat.
It is time, my friends. It is time.
Perfect.
I think it should be somewhere around this neighborhood versus where it was at. All right, go ahead and I got you. Go ahead. Yep. Spike.
God is faithful, man.
Go hold this real quick. I'm about to back to my old roots.
Uh-oh.
Right. The old-fashioned way. I'm about to look down in there and see. Oh, yep.
It's spraying?
It's spraying.
All right, cool.
You probably don't need no more than that.
Nope, it just need that little bit because we probably already didn't put enough in there. Maybe we turn it a little bit.
More that way.
Mm-hmm.
It's because that's the neighborhood where mine is always at.
Okay, cool, 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 cool.
That wasn't majestic at all. I'm like a Karate Kid. I can't put my. I can't. No.
Hey, and I want to thank y'all for coming to this next video because I left a cliffhanger on y'all in that last video. So this is a whole nother video, y'all. Y'all know I couldn't get all that at one time, but yeah, here we go. Let's see what we can do, y'all.
I'm not gonna touch nothing. I'm just gonna let it.
Just let it be.
I'm gonna let it. Yeah.
Come on now, dog.
Yeah, that's way off.
It's way off. Try that. Magic hands, brother.
Magic touch. Oh my! Yeah! First start. It didn't take long, did it, my boy?
Nah, it didn't take long.
Oh my goodness. It already sounds different.
Yep.
It already sounds like it's idling so much smoother than it did before.
Yeah.
Wow.
You need a minute.
Now we gotta time this thing. Right?
Yep.
Now we gotta set the timing on.
Let's go to the back, man.
Like you got a cam in that thing, boy.
Let's go to the back. Yeah, of course it's not perfect, but for a little eyeball time, running pretty good. I wonder if it'll let you rev it a little. Just go real slow though in the RPMs. Wow. Not bad.
Not bad at all. it still sounds like it kind of got a misfire a little bit, don't it? Like it kind of
Yeah. But it's still not bad though. Not bad for a first startup. Not bad for a first startup.
Let's see what RP is.
I'm surprised it stayed alive because mine didn't do that.
Yeah. It's a little high.
Where is it at?
About
700?
700, 800.
Really? Well, mine usually sits about that much.
Yeah. But it's still cold though. Like, what does it start off when it's cold?
When it's cold, it'll do low because I don't have a choke.
Okay. Okay, well, I ain't got a choke either.
But mine, usually when it warms up, it'll sit right at 8 or so.
Sounds like it's islanding up though.
Yeah. You know, I expected it to spit at me a little bit, but it didn't. I expected maybe a flame or two, but nothing. No backfire out the back either. Pretty responsible.
Yeah. Everybody be hating on the Edelbrock.
Later.
Yeah. Lord have mercy. Y'all missed it, man. Y'all missed it. My battery died, so you know what you gotta do. You gotta go over to Young Chevy Truck to see my initial response of when the truck crunk up. Did I get it on this channel?
I think you got a little bit of it on there.
Got a little bit. Okay, so you know, hey, you're gonna have to go check out his channel to go see the real reaction. Man, I'm telling this thing just ran. I need help. So good. It's so good, man. Ask my man, what you think, man? It ran pretty good for not even having any type of twerking or messing with anything. I was like, why did I say twerking? I should. What am I talking about? I'm talking about twerking. We're talking about dealing with cars, not cheeks. Yeah, but we're gonna go ahead and see if we can set the initial timing. Try to set the idle. Idle was a little bit high. Idle was like around 900, which is probably, you know, expected just for cars that aren't tuned the best and with not the best timing. You know, I know Edelbrock was like, hey, we'll have the idle a little high from the beginning just to make it happen.
Remember what's crazy is that my idle was too low.
It was weird? Too low.
It was too low. Like it was.
It was, and you did tell me that. That joker was chopping. That's making me want to get a damn cam, man. I don't care if it's a summit cam, but we gonna get a cam in this thing. A little bit of one. It ain't gonna be now like his. We're gonna do a little. We're gonna do a little bit of chomping and jumping and bumping. Shut up! But I don't know what I just said. But
hey, you might want to get a cam like mine though, because like I said, I have a stock converter in my truck right now.
Okay.
Stock converter.
Okay.
With a little cam in it, and it runs fine with a stock converter. You don't have to upgrade it or nothing like that.
What about heads and all that clearance and all that junk up there, like with the rocker arms and all that? Do I gotta get up on all of that?
You have to do that.
Okay.
I don't think you have to.
Okay.
I think you can do it with, you know.
Yeah.
You can do it with all this that you got here.
Okay. Okay.
Without having to do anything else. But heads, they are going up it.
Oh, I know it's gonna up it.
They go up it because at the top end that thing be breathing.
Hey, y'all ain't see my man. He over there trying to get in his brother's car over there, y'all. You gonna say what's up?
What's up?
What's up, y'all, man? That's my main man, Taj. Hey, what you got to say to the crew, man? Besides, you need a haircut.
What?
Yeah, you need a little haircut, bro.
I do not need a haircut.
Yeah, man, I'm finna give you a bald head. How about that?
No,
huh?
Dad.
A bald? How about a bald head, man? No bald head.
No, I don't.
All right. Okay. All right.
Why would you want to make my hair bald?
I don't know, man. I just want to do what I got to do with that. I don't feel like seeing your head like a mop up there, man.
My head does not look like a mop.
Okay, okay.
And you want to make it look like Professor X.
Oh. Hey, so we're gonna go ahead and get to this timing, man. I don't know what I'm gonna film, just cause my battery was kind of getting low. That's why I missed some of the footage that I was supposed to get. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and see what we're gonna do, and then we'll cut y'all on when we feel like we can gonna cut y'all on. Y'all stay tuned now. All right, guys, look like we got the timing set. Look like we had about 700 RPM. We might can go down just a little bit, but you know, seems like it sounded pretty good, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, we revved it all the way to 3,000. I mean, no backfire, no nothing. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna tell you guys, we're not aficionados when it comes to tuning this stuff. We just want to make sure it runs good and it don't stumble. Yeah. You know, when we hit the throttle, it don't stumble. So, man, I mean, it's like instant. Yeah. Instant power.
I would love to see how the spark plugs look after it ran.
Yeah, after we run it for a while. Yeah. That's probably what I'll end up doing in the video, man. Yeah. Just you know, just to run it and see what we're gonna do. Yeah. I might end up doing this vacuum gauge. Try to see if I can play with the idle mixture screws, you know, just to dial it in just perfect. But I may not do that in this video. I might do it in another video. Might just let it be. You know what I'm saying? Just give y'all this video, drop it out. Cause it's 2 videos, y'all. We made 2 videos.
You know, what I do want to see? I want to see what happens if you put it in gear.
When I put it in gear?
Just to see, like, will it die?
Okay. All right, hold this. I'll put it in gear. Let's see.
Because if it does, then might need more work. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Now it's at 600 RPM. Yep. That's good. That's good.
That's perfect. I just ain't got the throttle hooked up.
Yeah. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. I'm very impressed.
Bring it back here so they can hear how it sounds.
Man, she got a little something.
She got a little something.
She got a little something back there. She got a little something back there.
She sounded good though, man. Sounded good. But I think that's gonna be it for this video, y'all. I done finessed y'all. They got 2 videos out of 1 day. But hey, you know, hey, that's how I gotta do it, y'all. We finna turn up for 2020-21.
Perfect.
Turn up for 2020-21. What I say 2020-21? I'm so geeked up, man. I don't know what I'm talking about. But yeah, man, I might just adjust the idle a little bit more. But man, I'm proud of what's going on, man. Me and my man Stone, like I said on his channel, it wouldn't have been done if he didn't come up here and help me out, man. Cause we got all this stuff knocked out pretty quick, man. I mean, I don't even know what else to say, man. I just appreciate him, man. If one thing y'all can do, I know I don't have as many subscribers as him. If you're not subscribed to his channel, please go subscribe, man. Thank y'all for watching. I love y'all. Me and him said we're gonna try to see if we can do some merch. So y'all better watching out for that. We're gonna try to get some things rolling for 2021, y'all. Better be some big things. All right, y'all. Love y'all. Peace.
You want my advice? Don't play yourself.
And subscribe, fool.